Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got some great news. My good friend Jeff, who's been loaning me these radios to show you from his collection, this past week he brought to me. I gotta take those speech lessons. He brought to me 15 radios out of his collection. And this is the biggest one. Matter of fact, it's almost too big to show on my screen. And this is a 4-star radio, the model FS 1995. And it's gold. Yeah, you got to see this thing. Let me open it up for you. Oh, boy. Ugh. It's heavy, too. Okay, we're going to knock everything down. Oh, we put the box down on the floor. There it is. Check this out. Let me adjust my... Whoa, it just knocked everything over. Let me get my notes that he gave me. Dropped on the floor. Boy, I'm kind of out of practice of doing these videos. I've been so sick lately. Solid state AM and FM. That's interesting. Nice reflection there. His description. Let me give you his description. I get my glasses here. Okay, his description is a huge cardboard box with a cheap pocket radio inside. Wow. He paid $35 for this on the Facebook Marketplace. And that's all he told me about it. Nice long telescopic antenna there on the side. It comes out. That's neat. A simulated alligator skin. Nice carrying handle with, I guess it also had an extension so you could, a strap you could put on your shoulder. Because this thing is quite heavy. Now let me open it up. That's what he was impressed about. The fact that it's big case and it won't show up too well because of it's a little frosted down there. But down in there is the radio. And it's either DC or AC. And we're going to try it on AC. Just pull this plug out of here. And should be a little, yep, there is. Whoa, I kicked the camera. Okay, show's done. I kicked the camera. Gotta kick the camera at least once. Okay. This thing is heavy. So, the charge on and off, you can charge rechargeable batteries, I guess. Oh boy, oh, it's heavy. Now, let me get up and see if I can knock the camera over again and plug this beast in. And hopefully it doesn't smoke. Oh, I forgot my little thing here that somebody made for me. Let me put that back. Throw that out there. I am so disorganized. I tell you, past couple of weeks it's been a mess. Okay. Yeah, let's see if I can turn it on. What do we got here? Band select. On-off volume and tuning knob. So we'll go to, don't quite have enough light in here. He's got it on FM, AFC, automatic frequency control. And I'm going to put it on AM and see if I can keep from dropping it. It is heavy. Oh, it's heavy. And let's turn it on. And we have absolutely nothing. We're down the bottom of the band. Ooh, a little scratchy there. Now, these are supposed to be concentric tuning knobs, like fine tuning and coarse tuning, but it's just one knob. Here we go.
Looks like you can carry it around. Now, this new law being proposed, it will be law in Florida, does not concealed carry, is it not? Correct.
I see what he was saying now.
Because in Arizona and other states, you can literally, walk in with a...
Yeah, not that good, AM.
You can literally have it out. Friendly community in Gulf Harbor.
Picking up plenty of stuff. It just kind of distorted a little bit. Okay, let's skip over to FM AFC. We'll go back down to band. And we'll extend the telescopic antenna, give it its best shot. And then we'll start tuning.
Yes, I do. For eBay or for you? Just for me. This is full transparency.
Yeah, not too good.
One time my kid wanted the shampoo ice cream thing, and they were out. They sold all of it. And I'm like, I know someone bought one.
Yeah.
And threw it in the trash.
Audio is terrible.
Sure, I dug, and I got it. And my kid...
But it's gold. It's gold. Getting all the strong stations. Yeah, really distorted. Okay, enough with that. That's enough distortion. It's a neat looking radio, but just like he said in its notes, it's got a cheap radio electronics inside. Very, very poor. Very poor. He doesn't have the vintage on this. Maybe the model number, FS 1995. Could it be 1995? It could be. But it's the 4-star. And he said that 4-star sold a lot of novelty radios. They were just kind of things to look at. They were very good radios. And this is truly a novel radio. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios, and I want to thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.